हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल फास्टैग एजुकेशन। नेटवर्क इशू के कारण मैं वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, उसके लिए सॉरी। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें। एंड आज हम करेंगे बीकॉम सेकेंड ईयर कॉर्पोरेट अकाउंटिंग का फोर फीचर एंड रेशियो ऑफ शेयर। सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे फोर फीचर ऑफ शेयर्स। For feature of share is the termination of membership and taking away of the shares of a shareholder because of default in the payment of any installment except application money. In other words, it sometimes happens that when a shareholder fails to pay any installment, either allotment or call money or both but not the application money, the company may forfeit such shares if so is authorized by its articles of association. Such process of cancelling the shares and not refunding the amount paid on this share is now as forfeiture of shares. And next topic, forfeiture and reissue of shares. Period of 3 months. If he and she does not make payment even within the period, his share may be forfeited. In the case of a public company, such notice shall be published in a daily newspaper with national circulation for at least 3 times. When shares are forfeited, the name of such defaulting shareholder is removed from the register of members. The allotment is cancelled and the amount already paid by such shareholder is forfeited, not refunded to such shareholder. And now next है accounting for forfeiture of shares. When shares are forfeited, an entry called forfeiture entry is made in the books of the company. Record the forfeiture of share in the following circumstances. Next है forfeiture of shares originally issued at par. Generally, on forfeiture of share, the share capital is reduced, and as such, share capital account is debited for the amount to the extent of calls made. Unpaid calls account are credited in order to cancel their debit balances standing in the books. The amount already paid by the defaulting shareholder is credited to share forfeiture account. When a company forfeit those shares which are originally issued at par, the following made in this situation. नेक्स्ट है forfeiture of share originally issued at premium. पहले हमने कहा था at par पे और उसके बाद है at premium. When a company forfeit those shares which are originally issued at premium, the following two situations refund while making forfeiture entry regarding this. First situation है when forfeiture takes place after receiving the amount of premium. Share premium once received and credited to the share premium account cannot be cancelled. Therefore, in this situation, both amount and account of premium are not shown while passing forfeiture entry. In other words, if premium has already been received, it should not be debited at the time of forfeiture. The following entry is made in this situation. And second situation है when forfeiture takes place before receiving the amount of premium. When a share is forfeited on which the premium is due has not been received either wholly or partially, the share premium account must be debited with the full amount of premium at the time of forfeiture. The entry in this case will be. Next topic is forfeiture of share originally issued at discount. हमने पहले पढ़ा एट पार पे, फिर हमने पढ़ा एट प्रीमियम एंड नेक्स्ट हम पढ़े एट डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट ऑन इश्यू ऑफ शेयर इज usually recorded at the time of allotment of share by debiting it as a loss when share originally issued at discount are forfeited. Discount allowed on such share is written back In this situation, discount on issue of share account is credited with the amount of discount relating to forfeited share. And next topic is forfeiture of share issue on pro rata basis. The application money of the shareholder to whom shares are allotment less than their demand is adjusted on allotment and subsequent calls. Therefore, their unpaid amount always becomes less than the amount due. I such condition the calls in arrear and amount forfeited is calculated as below. This over forfeited share. Forfeited share are the property of the company. If an article of association of a company permits, the board of directors can reissue this forfeited share to the third party, not to the defaulting shareholder. All the forfeited shares can be reused at a time or they may be reused in parts. Similarly, these shares may be reused at par and or premium or discount. Again, the amount of such reissue is collected in lump sum but not in installment. A share issued originally at par reissued at par. Bank account is debited and share capital is credited when which were issued originally at par and reissued also at par. नेक्स्ट है कैपिटल रिजर्व. कैपिटल रिजर्व क्या होता है? आफ्टर द यूज ऑफ forfeited share, the credit balance left in the share of forfeiture account is a capital gain to company and must be transferred to capital reserve account. Such gain is also known as profit on reissue of forfeited share. It should be clearly understood that if the forfeited share are not reused, only that proportion of shares for future account when which belong to the reused number of shares should be transferred to capital reserve account. And B है share issued originally at par but reissued less than par. When share originally issued at par and reissued at the value which is less than par value, bank account is debited with reissued price. Share forfeiture account is debited with the discount on reuse and share capital is credited with par value. और C है share issued originally at par and reissued premium. Under this condition, bank account is debited with the actual price and share capital and share premium. Account is credited as below. D has share issued originally at discount and reissued at discount. Under this situation, bank account discount on issued of share and share forfeiture account are debited and share capital account is credited as below. E है share issued originally at premium and reissued at discount. Under this situation, bank account and share forfeiture account are debited and share capital account credited as below. And last and F है share issued originally at premium and reissued at premium. Under this situation, bank account is debited with the new issue price and share capital account and share premium account is credited. No entry is made for the original premium. ये आज की क्लास में हम इतना ही करेंगे. सॉरी फ्रेंड, मैं वीडियो से जल्दी अपलोड नहीं कर पाऊँगा क्योंकि यहाँ नेटवर्क की बहुत ज़्यादा है. प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करते जाइए. अगर किसी को कोई डाउट हो, किसी और सब्जेक्ट पे कोई टॉपिक पे वीडियो बनाना हो तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता दीजिएगा. ओके फ्रेंड, बाय.